Hello everyone, I am Sarvari Purakle, a student of class 9 Blue. Here I am going to do a project on hologram. So first of all, what is hologram? Hologram is a real world recording of an interference pattern which uses the property of refraction which results to a production of light field which has resulting to a virtual image which has all the properties of a original scene. So let's start now. Here the materials needed are a craft sheet which is readily available at any stationery store, a scissor, be careful with it or it might hurt you, a transparent sheet which is also readily available at any stationery store, sellotape. The first step is by using a craft sheet and scissor, cut a trapezoid like shape. It will be our template. The measurements are up to you. How big or small you want to make it. By using the template, scissor and the transparent sheet, we will make 4 identical pieces with the same measurements. Take 2 of the pieces which we have made earlier and stack them up. The edges should be one over other and stick them up with sellotape. It is done. Now take the third piece and stack them up with one of the stucked piece and stack them up. Do the same what we did with the first one. Now take the last one and also repeat the same with it. Now it is done. Fold it across the crease we created while pasting the sellotape and stick them up, stick the ends up. When we will open it, it will look like a pyramid. It will be the main part of the hologram. Place the structure we made on a mobile phone. You can find any hologram video on YouTube. And let's observe it in darkness now. See how it looks. Isn't it look amazing? Let's watch it carefully now. You enjoy. So the science behind it is the refraction of light which also works on the property of paper's ghost. Each side of the pyramid projects the image on the onto the center of the pyramid which makes it look like a 3D scene. Thank you.